Hi you guys, welcome back to Painting with Pretty. I'm Amber Pretty, and today I showed you guys how to get this smoldering purple. Like, I don't know if it's not really a cut crease, it's not really a smoky eye, but you know, it's something. And so if you like it, check it out. Going in with Born Fresco out of the Modern Renaissance palette. I don't know, my lighting is like, I don't know, but I'm gonna keep going. Alright, the next color I'm going to go in with is Royal. No. I'm going to go in with, forgive me. I'm going to go in with Vietnam Red. And I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that and start on the outer and really kind of blow that color out because you don't want it to overpower this look. Sometimes I feel like the camera doesn't do like I know the camera don't do my eye colors justice. I'm just gonna bring y'all in just a little bit. And just make sure your blend is like really soft. Now I'm gonna take Royal, which was this like purple color right here. And I'm gonna take it on my e.l.f. crease brush. Amethyst, and it's just a purple, whatever purple you have. I have a lot of purples up here, but I have that palette open, so I'm going to use that palette. You don't have to use that palette. And then notice that I'm just going a quarter or like halfway in. I'm not going all the way into my lid. Alright, so I'm going to take this color All Star, which is perfect for looks like this because it's a very like dark color and it can like deepen up stuff very well on its own. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that to start deepening up the base of this. And then I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna take the color Rowdy, which is also a deep like eggplant shade, and I'm just gonna kind of pick a little bit of that up. Then go back in with your e.l.f. brush and blend your dark color out. Like, you see how I'm going like in a circular motion because you want it to kind of like concentrate right in that socket area. And once you get that color there, like if you impact like enough before you start blending it out, you shouldn't have to pick up any more color. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more. I didn't pick up any more color. I used what was on the brush and put it towards the base, like towards your lash line, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so we're after what seemed like months of hard work, I finally got my crease cut. So I'm gonna take the color Vermeer out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just gonna take it on my lips are dry. I'm gonna take it on a flat brush. And I'm gonna really pack that on to where I cut my crease at. I really need to get like a frosty white pigment because it's like no matter how many palettes you get, the frosty white ain't never frosty enough. I'm gonna take Luna in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm just gonna press that over and see, yeah, that kind of makes up for everything. See how now it's like frosty white now. Okay, now so the make or break moment. Take your smaller brush and blend. First you're gonna go with Vietnam Red. That was the soft red that I used like seconds after my transition color. And you're gonna blend that higher to match, to blend in your lid color or whatever. Keep that one higher because that's gonna be the lightest color you. Okay, now so the make or break moment. take your smaller brush and blend. First you're gonna go with Vietnam red. That was the soft red that I used like seconds after my transition color, and you're gonna blend that higher to match, to blend in your lid color or whatever. Keep that one higher because that's gonna be the lightest color you use. And you don't want it to be too dark, too high. Then we're gonna take the color. All Star. That's gonna be that darker color that was in the darker red color that was in the subculture palette. I mean, pick up the tiniest bit. Then you're gonna start blending that a little bit lower. Then you'll take Rowdy, which was the darkest eggplant color, and you're gonna blend that lowest. And then kind of like concentrate that towards your base or your lash line. I love calling it a base because you're gonna need that when you do this line. Alright, I'm gonna do the liner on camera, something I hardly ever do. So I got one idea. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye, and then what you kind of doing is you making like a thick liner. You know what I mean? If you don't like thick liner, which I don't like thick liner for a lot of looks, but if you don't like thick liner, then you can always just do regular eyeliner. And then you're making it like a short, thick line too. So not even like to the end of your whole look. Like it needs to be like thick but clean. Okay, then I'm gonna take that pencil brush again, and we're gonna blend that darkest color, like again, like around my liner. I kind of feel like she just smudged her liner, but I'll be so scared to do that. He gonna blend it right into your liner. Okay. Scary stuff, bro. Alright, once you do that, then take a brush and barely touching it, fluff that out. That England eyeliner dries so fast. Okay. Alright. Yeah, that's how I want it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face work. I'll be back. So what I'm doing now is I'm adding a little bit of this NYX rose glitter into my teardrop. I just thought I gave it a little something extra. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Glam Glow. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Glam Glow to set my face. I just love what that does for me. People be like, what it do? I don't know. Something. Do something, honey. And I'm gonna use this glow kit that I always use. I'm gonna use the colors that I always use. And then the color, I'm just gonna go in with a gloss today. I don't do a lot of glosses, so I'm gonna go in with the gloss. Jelly gloss. Alright, so that's my look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do like it, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I might need a little more Glam Glow. Yeah. Now let me know what you think, because honey, now I'm here. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay pretty, my friends. Stay pretty, stay pretty, stay pretty. See ya.